Logs are facts emitted by your application. They are very useful when your application is running in production. Serilog is one of the most used logger in .NET ecosystem. How you can use it in .NET hosted service using the worker template, create a new project using this command, and then add these packages by going to the terminal and adding these packages to the project. Let's look at the solution. I have already installed the packages. You can see it here. So these packages are installed. Let's go to program.cs. So what I'm doing is creating the global logger here, reading the configuration from the configuration manager, which is coming from app settings, and then creating the global logger, which will be used as a fallback logger as well. Then clearing any provider, and this is a new extension method, which is adding the logging provider to the services, and that's how you get a full-blown structured logging via the configurations. Now, see log configuration, which is adding two syncs, console and file sync to the logging providers and configuring the file log